Welcome, dear students. How are you today? I missed all of you. Our lesson today is very easy. It's called the pie graph. How can I represent any fraction on the pie graph? In this circle, the green part represents half of the circle. In this one, the blue part represents third of the circle. Here, the red part represents quarter of the circle. Now, graph the data on the opposite circle. If I have a pie chart to show children's favorite animal, and this circle or this pie chart divide into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Let's start with the green part. The green part in this pie chart represents eighth or 1/8 from the circle. The eighth fraction or 1/8 equal the half of the quarter. If we divide the quarter into equal parts, each part will equal 1/8. So, let's back to the green part in this pie chart, which represents 1/8 from the circle. So, the cat represents 1/8. Let's move to the second part, the blue part. It's also eighth or 1/8 from the circle. So the dog represents eighth of the circle. The pink part in this pie chart represents quarter of the circle. So the parrot represents quarter of the circle. The last part, or the big one, the hamster, or the yellow part, represents half of the circle. Now, let's move to our school book. Please open it on page 90, exercise number 3. An employee spends his monthly salary as follows: £200 for clothes, £800 for food, £400 for transportation, and £200 for renting of an apartment. Represent these data on the opposite circle. This is the circle. First, we need to calculate the total salary. How can I calculate the total salary? Yeah, 200 plus 800 plus 400 plus 200. Then the sum will be £1,600. This is the total salary. Then I need to know the fraction which represents each part of the salary. How we can calculate it? Let's start with the clothes. Equal 200 over the total salary, which is 1,600. Then put 200 over 1,600 in the simplest form to be 1/8. So the clothes will represent eighth of our circle. The green part here represents eighth of the circle. Let's move to the food. 800 over the total, which is 1,600. Put it in the simplest form to be half. Then, in this circle, which part represents half? Yeah, the yellow part. After that, transportation. £400 over the total salary, 1,600, then put it in the simplest form to be 1 over 4 or quarter. Which part here or which color represent quarter? The pink part. So on the pink part I will write the word transportation. The last one, renting, equal 200 over the total salary 1,600. After the simplest form will be 1 over 8. The last part here will be renting. This is our lesson today. Dear students, don't forget the homework. Booklet page 49 and 50. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.